Good afternoon. Welcome to Joe Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for February 19th to March 4th. For February 19th to the 23rd, we have a trough rid trough configuration. This trough is forecast. Was forecast left out. Looks like it's staying in place. We still have above normal heights here across Greenland, mixed height anomalies elsewhere. And we have above normal heights, like I said, across Greenland and the Arctic region. And we're going to take a look now at the surface. We have an upper low and surface systems over the Eastern Pacific that will gradually move inland. And we come here to the 19th. And this will happen early next week. And then this will result in a plume of moisture into California. And this will produce heavy rain with possible flooding potential and heavy mountain snows. And then the system will weaken by the midweek period. We go inland. Here we are at Wednesday. And then northern stream energy will combine with this and should result in help a new storm to develop in the Central Plains. And then eventually pushes the east by the later part of the week. So we'll look at that. At weekends. Now here it goes into the east. You can see it right here. Let me go back up a little bit. And this could cause some snow across northern New England. I think rain. This is the GFS. And then we look at the European. The European is a little bit slower, you can see, but look where the 540 line is through central Jersey. So we'll see how that progresses. And then it really bombs out offshore, but where's the 540 line? Okay, way out here. So the European is forecasting snow here next week. We'll see if that works out. We look at its ensembles. And it also bombs that out. So there's a lot to watch here in the region. Now, we'll have a trough that will be settling back into the east while this is happening too. So there's a lot to be said on this forecast. But again, it's a week out, so we have time to look at it. Okay, we have a look at the period now for February 24th to 28th. And we have a trough rid trough configuration. Again, the trough is remaining in place above normal heights here, below normal heights here across Canada. Also over here over the North Atlantic and over the Northeast Pacific. So the model's pretty agreement with this. So for this forecast period, I am calling for above normal temperatures for this region here. And I'm calling for anomalies be near 6 degrees above normal, mainly across this region here. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. And for this region, probability of occurrence remains as high as 55%, mainly across this region here, 35% here, 35 to 40% elsewhere. Okay, we're going to look now at the period for February 29th to March 4th. Now, there's a lot to be said about this period, this 29th to 24th. Look what the models are showing. Okay, we have above normal heights here, trough here in the west. But if you look at other models, okay, they're all at trough, above normal heights here. Like Climate Prediction Center is forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the country. But again, I keep looking out here, what's going out in Eastern Asia. And you can see we have a trough moving into Eastern Asia. So usually we have a trough moving in there. It's moving in slowly. We'll back it up. And you can see it's slowly moving in. This leads to a trough in the east. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for below normal temperatures here with the anomalies near about 2 to 4 degrees, maybe 2 degrees below normal, above normal temperatures here, with the anomalies near 6 degrees above normal, keeping it near normal here because of the trough across Eastern Asia that should lead to a trough here in the east. Okay, now going back to the California storms. Okay, we're going to look at the amount of precipitation. Again, this is in 24-hour period. We have 1 to 2 inches across Southern California. Then we have here maybe 3 inches here occurring across the mountains here. That'll probably be snow. So this is a GFS, and then we go ahead a few days. Then we get a break. I thought I saw something here. Oh, I thought I saw 4 inches. Okay, and then we get a break, and then the next system kind of moves in and bring lighter amounts. Now look at the European, about 1 to 2 inches. So they're pretty much in agreement. Maybe the GFS was showing pockets of 3, maybe 4 inches across the mountain areas. So this is what we're forecasting during this time frame with the atmospheric river events. Okay, that's the long-range weather forecast discussion for February 19th to March 4th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.